Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. I am Abby. This is my co-host this week, Asher, and he has Zen Chic Chill. So this is part of our Christmas, but it's not traditional Christmas. It's more wintry, and I love it. So we have the fat quarter bundle, and then we have, these are some of the spotted that go with it. We have her entire spotted line. They're great. And then it mixes that gray and silver in there, which is kind of a fun combo. You could do some silver metallics with it as well. So that's nice. All right, let's go to the kid room now, buddy.
Okay.
All right.
Go over here.
We're going to have some Minky for Ohio, which I'm going to take some for sure today. Super cozy, but it has like the stamps and Columbus and some of the roots on it here, or the expressways. And then we have, yeah, that's the next one. This is Ready, Set, Splash by Sandy Gervais. We have this one, and I'm pretty sure our daughter moved the other one. We had another one, it's dark blue. If I see it, I'll show you.
Mom, what's that?
That one's a great bowl too, isn't it? Oh, here it is. You can thank Selah for moving that. It's got some fun frogs on it. You gonna carry it around?
Yeah.
All right. So we have a new 108 for you. It is like newspaper prints, and it talks about like blessings, home and garden, all sorts of fun stuff. This is a Windham.
Whoa.
Really nice fabric there. And then up here, in addition to our modern wall, we have Create. This is from Riley Blake. It's Kristy Lea or Lea. I'm not exactly sure how to say her last name. All right, so then we're going to move this way into our primitive room.
Wow.
And we have a couple of new, this is Lumberjack Aaron by Stacy West of Buttermilk Basics. Got a couple nice colors. Would be really good blenders, I think. All right, so now let's move. We have a new pattern for the quick curve ruler. Come on, Ash.
I'm coming.
So like I was saying, we have a new pattern for the quick curve ruler. It is called Happy Together. If you're not familiar with the quick curve ruler, actually this is the WCR. So there are different, you'll see the emblem here. Those indicate different rulers that you need. So this, it's the Wonder Curve ruler that you need to go with it. But it makes a fun little Happy Together quilt. I think that's really cool. And then we have a couple more things for you. We have a face template. Okay, so we had the original face template. We have a new one as well. This comes in 3 sizes in here. So this is the small, there's a separate medium and a large. So it's a 3-pack. We have quite a few of these if you're still making masks, which I'm sure you are, because kids are going back to school, people are going back to work. They're mandated in, I don't know how many states, at least here in Ohio.
Mom, where this is going to go?
It's going to go back in the kid room, honey. But then we have 3 new patterns from Corey Yoder. Love these. This is a layer cake friendly. This is a jelly roll friendly. And this is a fat quarter friendly. Oh, that's okay. We'll put the Bolt Buddy back on. They're all beginner friendly. So if you were looking for a beginner pattern, those would be great to start with. I'm sure you have fat quarters, jelly rolls, and layer cakes all in your stash that you could kill with that. And then lastly today, we have Prim from Lori Holt at Riley Blake. We have the Prim Fat Quarter Bundle, as well as these are some of the kind of her bee basics that go with Prim. This is a cheater fabric. It's not a panel, it's just yardage, but if you want a quick little project or a table runner, that would be fun. You could do some fun stitching on that. So, we will not be live this Sunday because we're having our company outing. That's going to be super fun. We're all really excited to go to Topgolf. And so you'll look for us live on Sunday, August 16th at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you have any questions, message us, let us know. And until next time, happy quilting. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.